Well, during this course I learned a few things that I didn't know, for example, some words or terms on my career on the English language, or even the lecture that teacher provided us helped me to recap basic things about the international relationship. As a liberalist or realist, also I learned new concepts that I didn't knew as balance of power, all the risk of a nuclear age, neocolonialism, and especially I really like the one that is about nuclear security because it's something that is coming, even if it's good or bad, we're going to get it. And getting back to the class, other thing that really helped me, it was a video that we shoot every week, and with that I practice my pronunciation, and also I feel more sure to myself when talking to the internet or on a video, even if the only visit that I have is from the teacher. The important thing is that I feel okay with myself and not nervous when I'm talking to people or on person, like in audience, or again in the internet with somebody across the screen. About the forums, well, it was a space that it was especially to talk with our classmates about the classes or to have feedback from us, that the teacher had feedback from us. And now that and know what to change or leave like that. If it's broken, why fix it? And I really like that because I know it is an online class, but it's good to know that you have some classmates that can help you to answer a question that if you don't understand something about a work, but also, but also the teacher provides us with very good explanation of the homework on what to do, so I didn't have trouble with that or any issue. And well, another thing that I really liked it was that the some homeworks were pretty well. Yeah, most of them were pretty easy to do, especially if you work and study at the same time. So it doesn't take too much of your time, but at the same time you can learn a few things or practice your orthography or pronunciation of the language. Other thing that I noticed is that the teacher tried to help us with orthography, as I mentioned. At some point I was thinking about the feedback that the teacher was a little bit poorly. But at some point that's my fault because I entered like 4 weeks later to the class. The message that I was received was that I was late, but yeah, that was my fault. This is the first class that I take online, so I didn't have any idea of what to do or when it started. So yeah, I keep it short. I get a 4 on the first partial, and I think that's okay. And that is funny because I used to work for a call center, and I was supposed to speak English all the time, and also take different courses about courses about the English language. But seeing my notes on the class, it doesn't feel like it. So, with that being said, I need to focus more on the classes, and get more used to the platform with virtual homework. And that's all.